Imagine yourself in this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include intermittent wipers, passenger airbag sensor, AM/FM stereo, passenger airbag, 4-wheel drive, multi-zone AC, and front reading lamps. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.